Strangle. In the movie, the bad guy tried to strangle the hero. I really want to strangle him. Thrash. His father used to thrash him when he was a boy. He thrashed the boy with a stick. Drizzle. I put on my raincoat because it was drizzling. It started to drizzle this morning. Chatterbox. My cousin is a chatterbox and loves to chat. The little boy is a chatterbox and never stops talking. Gust. The umbrella turned inside out in the gust. A gust of wind opened the window suddenly. Mingle. He doesn't like to mingle with strangers. Oil will not mingle with water. Cranky. I am cranky because I didn't sleep well. Don't talk to her now, she is feeling cranky. Disguise. She put on glasses to disguise her look. She disguised her sadness with a smile. He tried to disguise his fear, but I noticed. Gulp. She finished off her drink with one large gulp. He took a large gulp of wine from the bottle. Pee. Can I use the restroom to pee? He washed his hands after he peed. Shade. I was lying down under the shade of a tree. She sat down in the shade of the tree. Downhearted. I am downhearted because I didn't pass the test. He was downhearted because he didn't win. Violate. The driver violated the traffic signal. If you violate the rule, you will be punished. Don't violate the speed limit while driving. Dung. The smell of dung was everywhere on the farm. He cleaned up the dung from the barn. Diminish. His headache began to diminish after he rested. The stain on the shirt will diminish with washing. Deaf. He cannot hear because he is deaf. I am slightly deaf. Could you speak a bit louder? Imitate. They imitated the dance steps from the video. Don't imitate me, it's not polite. Ash. I cleaned the ash from the fireplace. Please don't flick ash on the carpet.